Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be checking out some haircut transformations and just overall hairstyle ideas. First up, we see this gorgeous bob. The stylist is giving her nice side swept bangs with this transformation as well. Very nice. This is definitely a classic bob haircut. So moving right along to the next one, she starts off with grown out colored hair, and it looks like she might be getting a bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, the stylist did a color refresh with this transformation as well. And we move on to the next one. So she starts off with a brunette colored pixie. Looks like the stylist has dyed the hair a reddish brown. Gorgeous. She ended up getting the classic kind of Peter Pan style cuts, and I love that color on her complexion. She looks absolutely radiant with this haircut. So then we move on to the next one. So she starts off with very long brunette hair. And of course, she has to mix it up with some color. So moving on to the next one, she also starts off with some grown out colored hair. Oh wow, so she ended up going with this beautiful copper ginger tone. This is perfect for the fall season, and it is one of the most popular hair shades, believe it or not, for 2022. If you haven't checked out my video where I kind of go into deeper details about the copper trend, definitely check it out. Very pretty color. She still has that ombre effect as well. And then we see someone with more of a burgundy kind of purple hair shade, or that maroon trend. This is another perfect color for fall, just something different. So moving right along to the next one. So it looks like she's also going to be getting kind of like a ginger reddish brown tone. Oh, absolutely beautiful. This is such a lovely shade. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to, of course, hit that like button and, of course, subscribe for more hairstyle ideas. So the next transformation starts off with someone who has shoulder length hair and they have some grown out color. Beautiful. She also went with the very popular ash blonde tone that we're seeing this season. Money Thieves highlights in the front. And I think that this perfectly accents her blob haircut. The stylist did an amazing job. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.